what have we got there today, Harvey?
We have got a monster truck.
And what are you about to do with it?
We're going to freeze it in the water.
Wow, how cool. And what else have you got nearby?
We have got water balloons, Arvo trucks, and a color reveal thing with water.
Okay, and what about to this side? What is this jungle?
We have rocks, leaves, and flowers.
Nice. I guess all you need now is a big container to make it like Ice Age.
Yeah.
Here we go, bud. So what are you gonna do first?
We're going to put the monster truck inside. Now we can put the flowers and the rocks.
And how are they going to freeze?
With water freezing with ice.
Nice. Off you go. Organize them however you see fit. First goes monster truck. Do you want to put him in the middle maybe? Oh, so some of those trees in the jungle have bloomed, haven't they? It is spring. Hey, Harvey, would you like to pour some water now, maybe?
Yes.
Look, you've got a barrel next to you. Oh, it looks so good. This is going to be cool. And what on earth is that big chocolate egg? What do you plan to do with it?
We're going to put it inside, maybe.
You're going to hide a car?
Yeah.
You think it will sink or it will float?
It will sink, but it's already in a box.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, we will have to wait and see, because if you look it, might be some air. Off you go. Which car do you want to put inside the mystery egg? Nice, my favorite. Lock it all up. Make sure it is sealed.
Done.
Why don't I help you pour some water into that big jar?
Sure.
Incoming! You know what, Abby? This is actually so much fun. Your toys are going to float in a minute.
Yeah. Oh, it's floating!
You have to organize it again, okay, bud?
Yeah.
While I go get some more water,
Yeah.
you can fix them however you like, okay?
Yeah.
Go for it. More water coming right up. And be careful this time. Haha, look at that. You see, I told you the surprise Kinder egg would float, even though you've got a car inside.
Yeah.
But even the monster truck, look at it. Reach over. Push it down. How can we get it to sink? Interesting. We might have to put some of those rocks you brought on top of it.
Yeah.
Now, what else do we have? What's about these sticks? Are they going to sink or are they going to float?
We don't know.
Let's find out. Float. It is floating. Could you pick up the rocks and put them on top of the toy so that it'll help it sink a bit? How's it looking?
Nice.
There you go, you got it to sink. Good job. Can we do with a bit more water?
Yeah, it'll do.
A tiny bit. That will do it.
Yeah.
Any more toys?
No. A crab's doing in a swamp.
Well, I can see that happening. He likes water. Do you want to pour some more of those palm trees to make it look like an ice?
Ice age.
Yes, but more like a river or the forest, an Amazon forest, got frozen inside an ice age.
Yeah. Come on. Put it on someone.
That will do. That's it.
A mixed up jungle.
That is a jungle frozen in time.
Yeah.
It looks so pretty.
Yeah.
Now, what do we do now? What do we have to do now?
Let's freeze it.
And tomorrow morning,
We don't know what's gonna come up.
we're gonna have to rescue all of them, don't we?
Yes.
Will we leave it in the sun or will we crash and smash it open?
We're going to smash it when it's ice.
Good job. And let's put it in the freezer now. And we are in. Until tomorrow, have a nice freeze.
Cars and leaves. Let's go check it out.
Wow. Harvey,
Yeah.
has it frozen?
Yes.
Move back, let me see. Whoa. That is a big chunk of iceberg.
Yeah.
Ice Age for real.
Yeah. No.
Well, good luck rescuing your monster truck from
Yeah.
here. Let's take in the garden.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Pull it. Hey, Harvey.
Yeah.
Shall we try and
Yeah.
remove it?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Give it a go, bud.
Oh, this is a chunk of ice.
Wow. It looks so cool.
Yeah. Guys, what can we do? How do we rescue the monster truck?
Yeah, that's a good question, Harvey.
Yeah.
Your friends out there, they should tell you, what can we do to rescue your cars?
We can get a hammer.
That's a good idea. But hey, first, I have an idea.
Yes.
How about some hot water?
Yeah.
Shall we do that?
Yes.
Good job. Let's do that. Hot water coming up. Harvey, you want to move to the side? It's hot, hot. Move more to the side. Up you get. Now watch.
Yeah.
Do you hear that?
Yeah. Oh,
Something is breaking. We should keep doing this.
it's the ice.
It's cracking.
Yeah.
It looks so pretty.
Raining.
Oh my
raining
God.
Ice.
It looks like a real Amazon going on here.
Amazon. I can feel the paper.
All right. Hey, you know this is upside down, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to give it a go and see if you can turn it around?
Yeah.
Go for it, Harvey. It's heavy. Good job. I help you.
Heavy.
Ready? And down we go. Here's your masterpiece. Let's put some hot water on this side.
Where the monster truck is, and I see the rope doing.
Hey, Harvey, but look. I had hoped for more. It is still ice.
Oh, this.
There comes a
chunk of
piece. Was that a rock? Stone?
rock.
Nice. Now, Harvey, you know in a car, we have
Yeah.
the windscreen defreezer.
Yeah.
Shall we give that a go? See if you can
Yeah.
defreeze the ice? All right. Come, bud. Let's go get it.
Hello, guys. We have the icer. Let's see if this will work.
Go for it, Harvey. Spray. Spray, spray, spray. Oh, he's doing something. Is it working, Harv?
Yeah.
Let's see. Show us. Ah, look at that.
Made a crack.
But it is not working fast enough, is it?
Yeah.
Oh no. Hey, Harvey. What can we do? What can we do?
It's time for some more hot water.
All right. Let's give it some more hot water. Hot water, coming right up. You want to move back for this?
Yes.
Move back. Hot water coming right up. Oh, look at that steam is working.
It's working, buddy.
Is it working hard enough?
Yeah, it's doing what we want to.
I see a large crack. It's gonna give away soon.
Yes.
And if you listen carefully, do you hear that, Harvey?
Yeah.
Do you hear that?
Yeah.
What's it doing?
It's cracking the
Good job.
huge ice.
We're almost there. It's about to give away. Come on, you. Harvey, we must rescue the cars.
Yeah.
Ask your viewers, what else can we do?
Guys, what can we do? Help us.
Any ideas, viewers?
We don't know.
Off you go, Harvey. I got a bit more hot water.
Get the whole thing cracking.
Move back, Harvey.
It's melting water.
I hear it. Do you hear it?
Yeah? A lot.
Dun, dun, dun. We are out of hot water.
There you go. We got a stick.
Good going, Harvey.
We got a piece of a hammer. It looks like a hammer, but it's no.
You've got a big chunk out.
Yeah, and I got a wet stick.
Hey, Harvey, you know what time it is? It's time to bring out the proper tools.
Yeah.
You know what I'm thinking?
Yeah.
What am I thinking?
Hammer. Let's do a hammer.
And you want to smash it in pieces?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get some tools and rescue your cars.
Yeah. Here are the tools. Let's open it.
That should do the trick, Harvey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have got the hammer.
Right, Harvey. Get down there, chip to the side, and whatever toys you rescue, you put them on that corner, okay, bud?
Yeah.
And let's go when you're ready. Harvey? Whoa, that's a big chunk. Leave it on the floor. Go, chip the corners.
Come on.
The trees are holding it together.
Say like, stop it. Stop doing the car.
Leave it where it is and try another corner. Come on, break the ice. Corners, don't break the toys.
Where?
You got a tree trunk. Here, what about this corner? There. Can I have a go?
Yeah.
What do we do? What do we do? Here, let's try here. Haha!
We got the color reveal barrel ready.
Yeah, but it's filled with ice. I think you should leave it on the side,
We
bud.
got the hammer. We got two cars. One off-road and one another off-road.
Not a problem. Let's take this more apart.
Yeah.
Hands off. What is
got
that? What is that?
What the?
Look. A balloon filled with water now is filled with ice. It looked like...
Second.
Good job.
That means I'm strong. We got a go-kart.
Turn this the other way around.
We got a...
We're almost there, bud.
Whoa! Again! We need tweezers.
What have we got there?
We got a steel balloon that's holding us.
Put it on the side.
What's in this thing? Break it!
Here, Harvey. Get the de-icer and
Yeah.
put some over your toy. The monster truck. That's it.
Don't break the paper. That's the problem.
Paper can be broken now. It's all wet.
Yeah.
Important bit is that we rescue the monster truck. We get it
Yeah.
out of the frozen lake.
Yeah.
Turn it the other way around. Upside down. Good job. Here, you chip now. Chip it gently. You did it, bud. Is it finally out?
Yes.
Show it. Show it to the camera.
Yeah.
Show it to the camera.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Now, can you break the paper and see if you can get it out from that way?
Yeah. Is hammer to... Oh no.
What
Bro.
happened?
Bro.
Oh, no, it's filled with ice.
Just why not to
See?
try this?
Right.
This truck's not gonna be very fast.
Oh, no, just when we thought we had it. The truck is stuck on ice still.
I knew it.
There's only one tool for the job before breaking it. Hot water and give it time.
Yeah.
Shall we get some more hot water?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Hey guys, let's put these ice back in the basket with hot water.
Good idea, Harvey. Try. Bring the basket. One chunk. Only the ones that have toys.
Yeah. Do not chunk. As a boy.
2 chunks. These 2 here.
The last chunk.
And don't forget the main toy, your monster truck.
Me?
Oh, can you get it off the box? Try get the box off. Yeah, just like that. Push it inside the basket. Turn it upside down.
Oh.
Now, hot water time.
Mr. Scraper.
Move back. Hot water coming right up.
25 degrees away.
Mr. Crab will be rescued soon. That is filled with water. All we could do now, Harvey, wait, melt. Ready?
Yeah.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back. I think it's finally done.
What do we have?
We have the $3 monster truck.
You did it! The main event, main toy. Good job.
But not just the main, the big version of Monster Mart.
Okay. Put it on the side. What else have we freed? What else have we freed?
We have got kissing cars looking.
Well, look at these. They need a tiny bit more time. Leave them in the water.
This guy should not take more time. So do this purple guy.
We're almost there. Put them to the side.
Yeah.
And look, finally, Mr. Froggy. Is it Froggy? Mr. Krabby
It's
is
Krabby.
out.
He's out. Yo, his nose we all just stuck in the ice.
Uh-oh.
He thinks he'll never get them back, but he will. Look, some more.
Don't worry, we will fix that. Harvey,
Yes?
was this fun?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.